Hey guys, naturally marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to try a old school product. Do y'all remember this crap? Y'all, I'm gonna try this product today. Let me read the instructions. If y'all interested in this video, then just keep watching. Leave down in the comment section if y'all used to use this way back in the day. I used to use this when I used to straighten my hair all the time, but mostly my sister used this product. So this is the African's Best Hair Mayo. It's treatment for weak, dry hair. It says with natural herbs, olive oil, and egg protein. So you guys know I do a homemade mayo and egg mix on my hair, so I just wanted to see if this was gonna come. And the instruction says to thoroughly clean your hair, and this crap got a whole bunch of mess in it that I can't even read, like the ingredients. But it says for conditioning treatment, it says after shampooing, massage a generous amount of this product into your hands, into your hair from roots to tip. For extra moisture, cover with a plastic cap or wrap your hair with a warm towel for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and style as usual. So I've already washed my hair with the Trader Joe's shampoo, and this is new, y'all. It's really new, so we just gonna get right into this really quick. Oh my god, I don't remember. Oh my goodness, I don't remember it smelling like that. My sister used this. She used it more than I did. I used it a couple times, but I remember my sister using this crap faithfully. I don't know if I want to put my hair back in the sections or what I want to do. I don't know but you guys, this is like the consistency of it all. Like, it's like a jello. It's like a pudding. That's what it is. It's like a pudding consistent. So my hair is dripping, and we're gonna get right into this video. Let's see. Okay, I got the fan on. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. And all I did was shampooed my hair. Stupid effing clip. Okay, let's take this back section. Finger detangle. Ooh, y'all, I don't even know what this smells like. I mean, it's horrible, but it ain't like, I mean, I don't even know. It's like, I mean, at least the cap was on, like the little white thing. Yeah, I'm taking a grip. I like that it didn't say a dime sized amount. It said a generous amount. Oh my goodness. Y'all, seriously? Like, it actually kind of got a little slip to it. And it feels like it's going right into my hair strands. That is really nice. That's really nice. It feels like it's actually absorbing all the way into my hair strands. I might have to do a comparison with my homemade egg treatment and this. But wow, this is already like really nice. I'm gonna try to get it on my roots, like on my scalp. Let me see how well it detangles. It almost looked like breakage, but it just shrunk differently. Y'all see this? Look at that. It looked like breakage, but it ain't breakage. So I'm going to just do that to every single one of my sections. I'm going to just speed through this process. Y'all, that really feel like it's going to hydrate my hair though. This product, I got it at Walmart. It was only like $3.28 or some crap like that. And I know with tax, most definitely, it wasn't even over $3.75. Oh my Lord, Gene. It popped in my eye. I hate that crap. Man, it's like actually really going on and like detangling my hair. I might want to redo these twists though. So I don't even know if I should just keep twisting it, because my twist sections aren't feeling the way that I want them to feel. This crap is like going right into my hair strands. And that's even with me having the fan on, and I just rinsed out my hair out of the shower. Yeah, I'm not gonna twist. I gotta retwist my hair because I don't like the way that my hair feels tangled at the roots. So I'm gonna just put all of it on my hair and then just retwist it. I want to just make sure I'm getting the roots of my hair, and I'm like really trying to rub it in, which I mean, I don't really need to try hard because it's penetrating my hair so nicely. I am going to cover my hair with a warm cap. I've already did my pre-poo treatment, and I'm going to try something for this shedding because this cannot keep happening. Hey guys, this probably would work a lot better if you do it in a shower. Like, probably it would distribute a lot easier if you do it in the shower. But I'm doing it down in my bedroom. I know you guys don't get to see like the full length of my hair all the time because I'm like, it gets cut off. Like my hair gets cut off a lot. So just to show y'all the length of it, I'm trying to finger detangle. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up in a low bun, and then I'm going to do the other side really quick. And I think I'm gonna just combine my hair together, and then I'm gonna put my plastic bag on my hair. You guys aren't gonna come to the shower with me. You guys aren't gonna come to the shower with me while I try to rinse this out because that's just doing too much. And I haven't been washing my hair standing up in the shower. So I'm gonna just apply this to this next section, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all of my hair is done. Show you guys what it looks like. And this is how much product I use. Yup, it's gone. So literally, because it's that much left, it's literally this much left. It's literally that much left. I am just going to just smack all of this on my hair. Like, I'm gonna just slather it. Make sure I get the back really good. And this is supposed to be a protein treatment, and I haven't did a protein treatment in a while. So I'm gonna just finish this bottle out, even though I feel like I have enough product now. Since it's just literally a pinch left, I'm not fit to put this jar in my cabinet with that much product left in there. So thoroughly making sure that it all gets evenly distributed. I haven't put any oil on my hair. I'm just trying to open it up to make sure. Yep, see? It's all in there. Let me make sure it's all in there on this side. Oh, see? That looked a little... Okay, so it's all in there. I feel like I just take my comb and get the ends. Like, comb out the ends just a little bit. Maybe not. My hands are slippery. I'll comb out the ends just a little bit on this side. Yeah, my hair actually feels really moisturized. Like, really moisturized. Okay, so now that they're both combed out, I'm gonna just put my hair in a low bun and put my bag on, and then I'm not sure how long I'm gonna have this in my hair because I gotta feed my son, and then I'm pretty sure he's gonna want to take a nap. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna have it on, so I'll just come back to you guys to let y'all know how long this actually sits on my hair. The bottle says 10 minutes, but I have low porosity hair and that does not apply to me, not one bit. Ooh, pretty heavy. And this bottle is 18 ounces, but it's completely fine because it was cheap. It's really cheap. Come on, bro. Okay, you guys, I'm going to sit back under the hooded dryer, so I'll come back to you guys in a bit and let you know how I really like the product after my hair is washed out. Okay, you guys, this is like literally a whole bunch of weeks later. I'm a mom and I could not get back on here to tell you guys how I really enjoy the hair mayo, like from the store. Y'all, my hair was so soft, and guess what? I actually left it on my hair for 24 hours. Mom life. I really can't even lie. I left it on my hair for 24 hours and I was kind of panicking, like, oh my god, is my hair gonna fall out? But it didn't fall out. My hair was so soft. If you're protein sensitive, I would recommend you not to do that. But my hair was so soft. I washed my hair out. I just rinsed it out with warm water, and then I silked it with just a grapeseed oil. So if you are really protein sensitive, don't leave it on your hair for 24 hours. I just made a mistake and did that because, like I said, mom life, I was really trying to multitask and get crap done, but my hair was super soft. It was super defined. I'm gonna have to do it again for you guys because I'm going to probably keep buying this product. I don't know if I like it better than my homemade mayo and eggs yet, but I'm going to do another video, like, just to see. But the way that it just went into my hair, like, I can't even joke about how nicely the product went into my hair. So most definitely I'm gonna get it again. I'm gonna do it again. I give it like 3 thumbs up. So if you guys haven't tried the hair mayo mask from Walmart, it's only like $3 $4. It's no more than $4 with tax. I promise you. Go check it out. Let me know down in the description box if you used to use this product back in the day, and if you like it, or if you ever stopped using it. Let me know down in the comment section, not the description box, because y'all can't write in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope this video helped. Bye.